Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. All right, Allan. We'll go on this, Allan. We are dealing
Yeah.
with
Black pot, this is our bud pan with fire, you know.
all right.
So we have a time when we score and shine and pretty.
So that means that and nasty, we nasty when it look black. Why people them say when we pot black, we nasty.
No man, I would fire pot, you know.
Yeah.
So sometimes you have to burn your hour and 3 hours and 4 hours and 5 times before you score. Yeah?
So all when them say like all my Dutch pot a yard now. And we him say what is the nasty pot? What you have to say about that?
No man, that's a nasty pot, because we keep the pot clean. But you see through a wood fire it burn pan.
But my one a burn pan a wood fire, my Dutch pot. So you know when they burn it and the little grease in it and the little black, you know the little long time workout pot there.
Yeah man.
That make your food sweet.
Sweet. Yeah man, make it nice.
Well a few people tell me say me nasty and me dirty. Me pot
If they call that nasty, then don't know what is nasty. They just say
okay.
that.
So how you have a score right there? Show them now you have to show
Yeah,
them.
these are the coconut. We call it coconut.
The ox part of the coconut.
Yes, we just.
So you know I've done the to show them where first so it look like. You see down there, Jason?
Oh.
Alright, you have pieces, show them. Take time, no drop no dirt down in your foundation.
Whoa. So you see the coconut.
Yeah man, show them.
See it, ox off the coconut, so the skin part right there.
Yeah, so show them the
So
part
you
where
see,
you take out.
Inside I have some kind of softish like. So we just draw out them out of it. And then something and see it there.
And you mix it with
yeah,
one
these are
now.
the original score.
Yeah.
So we get
So you said this is the old time, long time.
score.
The authentic one, not the wire them.
No.
Oh, so this one now we don't have to worry about ourselves.
No.
So it go frizz out in the
By
pattern.
pattern.
If you even frizz out this, you know?
Yeah,
This is not nothing.
Yeah.
So our original thing. So where you mix it with now?
We get some little ashes.
Alright.
We get little rough sand.
Ashes now. Tell them what the ashes is.
Yeah, that are the fire we burn. The
Yeah,
ashes
and the
are-
sediment and for
right,
the stick them or the wood them.
Yeah.
Oh
And
yeah.
now we get little rough sand.
Yes.
And we mix it with little fab.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You have to
so
tell them what fab is, like powdered soap.
Yeah, powdered
In Jamaica, country people say fab, we call it fab powdered soap.
Yeah, powder soap.
Yeah,
Yeah, but we call it fab, you know.
yeah.
So we mix it up with the water now and then something there. As though it's looking at the pot there. You
Yeah.
See? Yeah, so we know say we wet up a thing in it, you know. We creep it up with some sand with it.
Course, like on
Yeah,
a rough sand.
yeah,
like,
rough sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we just turn them and we start score.
Alright,
When you see
so.
it start score, now you see it,
Yeah,
the blackness that time I come
Wow,
off and you see
wow.
some little shyness.
yeah.
Yeah, so we continue rubbing it all around.
Now you got
know?
gully, Allan.
You know, I'm gonna go there. Continue rub it all around it. Just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
All around.
that's why when you ashes it now,
Yeah, that's why it kind of easy to come off.
Easy to come off like
we
that.
kind of ashes it before.
or dirty or
Yeah.
something, but mostly ashes.
Yeah. So we take time and rub it with the rough,
And I
rough
go
sand.
around with the rough sand and the ox part of the coconut.
Coconut and them thing there.
Yeah man, so that we used to from where
From
picnic.
where you to come up,
Yeah,
you know?
we got a gully, go
Yeah,
on
man,
river
when-
gully.
When Granny said, Allan go score the pot them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see me get me ingredients and them something and
Oh,
turn a spring.
ingredients we use cover them now?
Yeah,
Oh,
ingredients,
yeah.
you know.
Thank
I will
you.
turn a river with them. When they
So
come
you
up
have to
back,
come back up here with them, make them
Yeah.
yeah, you know?
yeah, if you come up when they come back, you have to make them look like them new, bro.
Yeah, or else
Like
you can't eat, you not eat no food.
No. No, you have to make them look like, especially like our Christmas time
Woo!
and them things there.
When all everybody, people, them are all come from town.
Town and them something there. When they come in the kitchen, they must be brand new pot
Yeah,
in the kitchen.
yeah.
You
Pot
can't
for
see-
look,
yeah.
pot for have yipe and fire.
Anytime you see black, I must burn on the wood fire.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then the time we score more regular too, because we don't want a black pot in the kitchen. Them time there.
Wow, you are going good, Allan.
Yeah, man, and that's how we work, you know. We know
So we say even up to a big man now, you remember them days,
man,
yeah,
I
Allan?
remember it and me do it same way.
Yeah,
But when me ready, me have to carry them, go score them.
yeah.
Make them
And
look
when
good.
we done with them, we put them up on any electric
Any
stove,
electric stove, man. How you
any
talk
gas
to?
stove,
Any gas stove.
any computerized
Yeah, man,
stove,
anything.
and all
Then
of that.
then can go out on exhibition.
Exhibition.
Yeah.
Lord, woo. Oh, yes. So we are going to scour it when you're done and you come back and show them the refining.
I'm the refining item.
Yeah.
Done, you know?
All right, all right. Exhibition.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Allan. Tell
Yeah.
them now.
So at the bottom part of it with there now. So you see when you reach the bottom, you see through the bottom, you know, so the bottom set on the fire. You know, so it's going to burn away more excess. So you have to use the knife now and take your time and create them.
Oh,
like
so you don't use the cutting part of the knife, you use the back.
back part of the knife
At you.
and take time.
You have to be careful when you do that door.
Yeah, man. And crepe him around.
Yeah.
Get off the block.
At you.
You can see it.
Yeah.
Right.
Me zoom up on it, make them see what go on.
Yeah. That's like this. You take the time and take off it.
So when you say this part you know, when you're done with it, you can go for any electric stove or any gas stove.
Anything.
So are you prepared to show them when you are cooking on the electric or the gas stove? And show them say you're all purpose because them see you cook on the wood fire and they see the type of food where you produce.
Right.
So what you want to let them know that you're gearing up yourself to cook on the gas stove.
And the gas stove can prepare it more nicer.
Okay. Okay. Next clip, Barry. Next clip. Alright, so you come there now, Allan.
Yeah, man, I come into it now, you know? Yeah.
You don't want no gloves to do that, Allan. He's a Rasta man and a country man.
Yeah, we don't deal with the glove things, you know, because we don't know. So when we do them things, you know, we cleanse up back, we and decent and them things, then we and look normal back again.
Okay, okay. So, you know them if you say, oh Lord, you got to put on the gloves. No, because you're raga.
Raga.
Yeah. Yeah. So you say you map him down, you know, Allan?
Yes, man, I bring him down to.
Yeah, man.
Wait, you know. When I get some water and wash off him, you know.
Yeah.
I go get some little more soap.
And refine him.
Yeah, with that again.
Tio.
Then I take time refining, that's why I make one.
You take out the roughness now.
Half of these
So that means when they see you, them I've seen you taking off a lot of the roughness or doing a lot of the rough process. So that simply means we come back to them when the refining is done.
Yeah.
So you're saying that this exercise, it goes through a rough process and then a refining process.
Right.
Okay. All right, Allan. So Allan, so what is happening here now? Raina come down. This is the refining process.
Refining process is not deal with that, you know.
I wonder if at the same part this Allan or is the next part?
Well, the people they must look, you know. Because to me at the same part.
Oh.
You see me?
Because we don't want them say you go around and go on so good when them nah look.
And go take up
one. And go take up a different part. You saw me I say curry.
So them if look on the black pot.
The shape of it and how it did look.
Straight on and never say.
Oh.
Is a different pot or the same pot?
Oh. All right, sir. Good, sir. So when you say it's coming to come?
Yeah, man.
Ready for the stove? We just want the stove now.
We want the stove long for put on because you see it black.
So you have to go cook a pot of rice and peas on the stove. Because you cook rice and peas in this pan the wood fire, you know.
Yeah, man.
I want them to look on the pot, you know. Them have to go back on the video and look on the pot. So you have to do the same rice and peas on the stove.
In the same pot we do on the wood fire.
Yeah, and Allan's cooking show. Alright, so the rain will come down, so when everything finish up, we'll come back and show you.
Wash them off.
Yeah. Alright. Good, sir. So Allan, this is the end product of the pot.
End product of the pot.
Okay, yeah. We just refine it with no steel or nothing yet. Just the coconut something. Show them the outside. You see there?
Right around. See it there.
Yeah. Because most of the outside we are focused on with the blackness, you know. So look here now. So you say now. You refine him down now with the steel hole and all them sitting there.
Yeah.
And him brand new.
Ready.
So what that mean to say? Them your pot here are the king of all pot.
All pot, all purpose.
Yes, Dutch pot, them here, the Jamaican Dutch pot. And them come in all shape, all sizes. These have the durability to stand the wood fire, the coal fire. And when them step up in a life, them the power. At you. Yeah, show them again. What it up good, Allan? What it up good?
If you have the electric,
Yeah. Yes, man. Good, sir. Good, sir.